Students and their families anxiously awaiting test results after 2 DPSCD students are found to be COVID positive. There are no classes today or protests against them because it's Friday, but the controversy surrounding DPSCD summer school is not going away. And that's especially true after 2 students who've been attending in-person classes tested positive for COVID-19, and there are more test results pending. Let's bring in Paula Tutman. She is live right now at the health department in Midtown. Paula, the deadline to test all the students for COVID is fast approaching.
Yeah, it absolutely is. The students have to be tested by Sunday. Thus far, out of 274 students tested, 2 have turned up positive. Now, I do want to go to video that we shot earlier, or I should say we shot earlier of summer school, where you can see that there is social distancing. They've got sanitation stations. The school district says it's doing everything they can do to keep students safe. They also tell me that, or I should say Dr. Viti particularly tells me, he's not surprised by these positive cases. He believes they run just about to the infection rate of the city of Detroit, which is around 1 to 1.5%, and this is under. Ostensibly, however, you still have about 300 students who still need to be tested. This is what I can tell you, that the 2 students who tested positive, they did not go to the same school. They went to different schools. Their family members have been tested, and they have shown up as negative. I'm not sure how that actually informs what's going on there. However, I can tell you that parents are concerned that they are not being told which schools, which the district says it can't do because of privacy laws.
I'm just wondering, did they contract it there? Was it somebody else who had it? Where were they? Did they travel? Are those, and I know that those are screening questions that they are asking. I asked my daughter exactly what she was asked when she went into school, and they asked her those things. So really, it just scares me. It also saddens me as well, because that's somebody's child, who's sick.
Yeah, so I think here's one of the really important takeaways from this, and that is that the Detroit Public School Community District believes it's doing everything it can do to keep teachers and students safe. That is very important. However, what happens in Detroit does not stay in Detroit. It's one of the largest districts that has more summer schools in session. It is being watched very, very closely. Today at 5, we're going to get reaction and talk about how what's going on in the city of Detroit in terms of testing really could be informative for many other districts in terms of how they choose to go back to school in the fall. Karen?
There's so many pieces to this puzzle. We'll check back with you later on today as we continue to cover this story.